Mommy, why are the speakers locked?
Most comprehensive assemblage of artifacts and life forms in the galaxy.
You guys validate.
But on today's tour, you will be allowed into my most secure inner sanctum to see in the flesh my newest acquisitions, the Guardians of the Galaxy.
This is all your fault.
Oh, at least we get a really cool sign. Check that out. Oh man, they got my name wrong. It's not Peter Quill. It's Star-Lord. Although they do call me the leader.
Yes, because you led us into this trap.
Hey, I thought the tour sounded fun.
By what name do they call me?
Drax the Destroyer.
That is correct.
Got his name right.
That's what bothers you?
Sorry. Gamora, daughter of Thanos.
I am not the daughter of Thanos! Ow! Ow! Ow!
You're not supposed to tap the glass.
Don't even start!
Hey, would you two keep it down over there?
I am Groot.
I know. You're so inconsiderate.
I'm Groot.
According to that, you're not Groot. You're a Flora Colossus.
I am Groot.
Don't listen to him. You are Groot.
Hey, you want to know what they call you, Rocket?
I know what they call me. Cybernetic, genetic, and rodent. Who wants to fight my fist?
I thought you'd be more upset about the rodent department.
Ain't nothing in the universe like me except me.
And that is precisely why he is in my collection. He is also notorious for escaping from every prison that ever tried to hold him. Which is why I have wired each cage with unimaginable power, coming directly from my massive generator, which powers the entire complex and will keep them in perpetual suspension. Over this. At least we're all well secure.
Wait, what?
Do not wish to fall to an abyss.
Do you even understand? We're prisoners.
It's your fault!
Rodent will figure a way
I
out.
told you to wait in the ship.
How
You told him that, you rockhead.
I am Groot.
I'm in hell.
And presto, the doors open for you. I now present to you Tanelier Tavon's private office.
My friends, you're one step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy. You are now standing in my private office,
I know.
where I carefully scrutinize
each and every piece that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy that let's mute this guy. Hearing your incessant blathering on a constant loop was big motivation for me to escape. Ouch! Ow! Oh, but that was not part of the plan. Why? Of course I escaped. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy, the smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But this plan won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance and the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan. And I'm gonna take this. Now move it.
Please remain seated, with your restraints securely fastened. Keep your hands, arms, feet and legs inside the gantry lift at all times. And please watch your Terran children. Thank you. The clearance. complete. You may now enter the gantry lift.
My dear friends, this is the moment you have been waiting for.
We did all the fighting. They're not help us at all. You think you need?
Audio Jungle.